over 2 decades in the making. Today we'll take a look at LA's first ever exoskeleton structure, known as the Wrapper Building. Traditionally, a building relies on columns and beam framing to structurally support itself. The wrapper has 8 steel bands wrapping around the building. This exoskeleton serves as external columns. At 16 stories high, there's also a rooftop deck offering 360-degree views of downtown LA, the Hollywood sign, and Santa Monica. Floor-to-ceiling windows and ceiling heights range from 13.5 to 24 feet. And just up the road is the Metro E station, which is at the corner of La Cienega and Jefferson, and right across from the Cumulus District. The Cumulus District will offer over 1,200 residential units, as well as shopping and dining. The Wrapper Building should be completed by the end of 2022.